Welcome back to another YouTube video. I don't know where I'm going to go with this video, but I haven't been active for a long time now. I just want to get into the groove of things, so I just hit record and I'm just going to start talking. So in this screen right here, you see I'm looking at the S&P 500, which has been on an absolute tear, closing at all-time highs. Let's go over the basics, right? That's a good place to start. So the first thing that you want to do whenever you look at any stock, you look at the overall market, any index, whatever you look at, just go to the weekly chart. Zoom out. You know, something I like to say is when in doubt, zoom out. And a lot of times when you look at the big picture, that's when you're going to see a lot of the important information. The next thing that we're going to talk about is levels. So one level that I definitely see here for SPX is 45.45. The next level is this week's high. For some reason, I am bearish. Right here, we see SPY rejected 458.50s a couple times, and today was actually the first time that it closed above it. So, me being bearish for some reason, I just feel like it's gonna drop. It's not gonna hold. I would wait for SPY to go back under 458.4ish, and then if it goes there, I might try to load some puts. And for the upside, it can keep pushing. It could definitely keep pushing. That's why you want to remain, as open-minded as possible, because once you're stuck on one side and you get caught on the opposite side of the trend, especially if you're trading options, things can get ugly really quickly. So keeping my options open, but bearish under 458.4. All right. Now, a couple stocks that I have on watch that I want to see for Monday and the whole week is a couple stocks that are hitting all-time highs. So you got Microsoft. These are the levels that I'm watching on Microsoft. Again, looking to short, missed a nice long entry here over 324 and 326. So we'll see if we can catch it on the way down. And then you also have Nvidia. These are the levels that I am watching. Let me make this smaller. We still getting warmed up. Haven't been doing this for a minute. So, yeah, here's what we're watching for Nvidia. Here are the levels for Nvidia. And another thing that you guys can do when you're looking at a stock or you're looking to trade a certain day and you have a couple of stocks on watch, create a certain watch list for you to look at. And basically, that's all the stocks that you're going to trade that day. So choose a select few and have them in a certain area. I call that watch list plays. Now, if you look here, you'll see that I got another watch list that has a lot of stocks. There's no way that I'm going to be watching all of these stocks at one time. I'll get too confused. I'll miss a play. So what I usually do is I'll look through all these stocks, which I already did, and then I'll see what looks like has potential to make a crazy move the following week, and then I'll put them in the plays watch list. So I'm watching Nvidia, I'm watching Microsoft, I'm also watching Netflix, Tesla, AMD. Those are my main watch. Tesla's been an absolute monster the last couple of days, and look at the low there, 944. And right now it's over $1,100. So I'll see if I could catch this bad boy on the way down. But anytime you're going against the trend, 1, you have to be quick. 2, you have to know your stop loss. 3, you have to know what you're willing to risk. Everything. Same thing goes with going with the trend, but just going against the trend is really dangerous because it could really rip, right? So that's what I'm watching. Nvidia, Tesla, Netflix, AMD, and Microsoft. That's pretty much it for AMD. What I see here is, let's go on the daily here. Rejected it hard a couple times here. If it breaks 119.82ish, that I'm looking to short there. AMD is really holding down here. Nvidia, same thing, under 252, looking to short. And then you have Netflix, crazy run on Netflix. Missed it badly on Friday. Easy play over 677 all the way to 690, but just gonna keep an eye on it. Usually when Netflix has a monster day, it pulls back. So we'll see. Other than this day, that's a big reason why you also never want to think, oh, one thing's gonna happen more than another thing. Like, never be so sure that something's gonna happen that you throw risk management out the window, right? Because in all reality, this thing could just push to 720, 730, whatever, or it could also just come right back down and retest 675 ish. So whatever you are gonna get into, make sure that you are managing your risk the right way, and we'll get into that in a couple videos in the future. Stay tuned for that. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share this with a friend if you think they'll find this helpful. And yeah, be on the lookout for more videos in the future. Peace.